Wow. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Mga angkol, mga ante, meron tayong natanggap ng condiments at i-review natin. Ang name ay bawangong na may 3 level of spiciness. Original garlic, mild spicy, at super spicy garlic gourmet. Bawangong is derived from bawang and bagoong. Initially intended to taste like shrimp paste, turned out tasting so much better without shrimp as an ingredient. Yan ang sabi. Ito'y versatile condiment which is plant-based, primarily made of garlic and onions, deep fried in olive oil na pwedeng ipare sa rice, mangga, cucumber, saging, dumplings, fish at iba pa. Nakaka-stimulate daw to ng appetite. Without further ado, tikman mo na, Dam.
Try natin itong original flavor. Try natin with cucumber. Ang sarap ng lasa. Malalasahan mo talaga yung bawang at saka onion.
Masasabi kong nakakagana siya dahil naubos na namin ang 2 bote. Pag ikaw ay nag-diet, ay good luck oy! Dahil nakaka-impas ng bahaw to. Mas nangingibabaw ang manamis-namis na lasa kesa sa alat kumpara sa shrimp paste.
Sarap.
Napatanong ako, mas healthy din siguro to, no? Kasi plant-based. So if you think it's worth a try, 25 dirhams per bottle, message them on their FB page or WhatsApp, Instagram, at TikTok accounts. Bye!